Oh, the never-ending debate. WordPress versus Squarespace. Hi, I'm Julia Taylor, CEO and founder of GeekPack. So WordPress and Squarespace have been butting heads for years. And let's be honest, Squarespace has really been pumping the ads recently. You may have even seen one on this video. You're here because you're not sure if you should go with WordPress or Squarespace for your website. So in this video, I'm going to focus on three key aspects for comparing WordPress and Squarespace. And they are simplicity, templates, and functionality. Okay, let's start with simplicity. Squarespace focuses on award-winning, beautifully designed websites that can be created within minutes. They target bloggers and artists and photographers and creatives of all kinds. Squarespace really gives you flexibility with color, design, and details so you can stand out from the crowd. They have built-in analytics and SEO and e-commerce to make everything super easy for you. Squarespace is a great platform for anyone with very little time to figure out the technical aspects of building and running a website. So what's the downside of all these incredible features? The price tag. Yes, it offers a lot, but the more you keep adding into your basket, the more you're going to pay. Yes, WordPress does have a much steeper learning curve. However, it is the much more budget-friendly option. A lot of people are turned off from using WordPress because they see it as being too complex or too techy. But I promise it is not as hard as you might think. There are tons of free resources out there and a huge community of people more than willing to help out along the way. Okay, next up is templates and themes. Squarespace has easy to use templates for a variety of industries and purposes. They're already mobile responsive, i.e. they'll look really good on a phone or a tablet. And some are even ready to be used for e-commerce right out of the box. However, if you want something beyond the templates, features, and design, you're gonna have to hire a Squarespace designer or developer to help you out. WordPress has thousands of themes available. Some are really easy to customize and some not so much. Beauty of WordPress is there are so many options as to how you can build your website. You could use a theme and keep it super simple, or you could try out a page builder and customize it all on your own. Or if you really want something super custom, you can dive in and learn a little bit of code. I promise it's not as hard as it thinks. Or you could always hire someone. Okay, the third aspect is functionality. Squarespace has a wide variety of third-party extensions that integrate into your website and add a whole bunch of additional functionality. WordPress has more than 58,000 approved plugins in their repository, everything from free to paid. However, with just a little bit of coding knowledge, a plugin might not even be necessary. Both platforms are very popular and they both have a place in the online business world. So hopefully this video makes it easier for you to decide which is best for you, Squarespace or WordPress.